For a full list, just go to our website, kboi2.com, and look for school closures.
Well, this morning the roads are wet and slippery.
Here at KBOI2, we have full team coverage covering the weather and road conditions. Lauren Clark is live in Boise, giving us an updated look at how the roads are looking.
But first, we'll send it over to Denny Hawkins for a quick glance at what's coming our way. Denny.
Well, good morning, guys. Unfortunately, more of the same potentially on the way for us, not just today, but through the next few, all the way through Wednesday. The good news overall today will be a little bit drier. However, that has not stopped us from issuing a flood advisory. The National Weather Service put this down late last night for both Ada and Canyon counties. These areas that you see here in green certainly going to be impacted. This is in effect until 11:45 tonight. We're looking at ponding of water on roadways and low-lying areas, and also that snow is going to continue to melt today, so it could compound on the problems that we're seeing out there already today. As we look across the region, though, you can see this storm is being fueled out of the central Pacific. More rain streaming into Northern California, and it is heavy. We're seeing historic flooding in Reno this morning, with more of that headed in our direction here over the next 48 hours. Coming up, we'll show you what it means for your day today and when we can expect this all to clear up. That's coming up here in a few, guys.
All right, thank you, Denny. Well, as the temperatures rise, so does the slush and water on the roads. So KBOI2's Lauren Clark is giving us a look at the streets before you head out this morning. Lauren.
Guys, I can explain your commute in 2 words here: slushy and slippery. I've seen many drivers around these roads having to experience and maneuver from what looks like a mixture of a swimming pool and an ice rink. Now, let me step back here a little bit. This is one part of the equation here. This is a really slippery, slidey sidewalk. Let me try not to fall. That's one part of the equation. But the main problem here is that we have about a foot on the Treasure Valley floor of snow that's turning into slush, and that slush is forming these massive ponds here on the streets. Let me show you guys this, because I really want to prove my point here and show you kind of what you can expect here on the roads. If I kind of turn this down, kind of show you guys a little bit, you can see that ice floating in that water there, just how deep it is. This will kind of give you an idea. Wow. I mean, you can see that splash. You can see exactly kind of what we're dealing with here. Now, many people might be watching this and thinking, okay, that does kind of look a little bad, but it can't be any worse than the 2 snowstorms we've just experienced. I mean, those were terrible. While that's true, I do want to remind you guys that this kind of does pose its own set of problems. Now, you're going to be dealing with ice on the road, which is very slippery and slick, but you're also dealing with a lot of water, too. So just be careful, you guys, and be alert. Reporting live here in Boise, Lauren Clark, KBOI2 News.